First, roughly chop basil. Brush the insides of the ramekins with butter. Add salt and pepper, basil, and the eggs. Lightly season on top and put to one side. Next, slice mushrooms, finely chopped garlic and sliced tomatoes. Add olive oil to a hot pan, add the mushrooms, salt and pepper and sauté. Transfer to a tray and put to one side. Add ramekins to a deep pan, fill the water halfway, bring to a light boil, cover and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Cook until the egg whites are just set, but the yolks are still runny. When the eggs are cooked, use a knife to loosen the edges. Grab a small plate, turn upside down, say a small prayer and lift.